Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the specific kinetic energy. They give us the velocity at 102 feet per second. They want it in British thermo units per pound mass. Alright, so there is no free body diagram. We can skip step 1. Step 2, list all the given variables. They give us the velocity. Alright, so step 3, we find the formula for specific kinetic energy, which is velocity squared divided by 2. Step 4, find the specific kinetic energy. So 102 feet per second squared divided by 2, then multiplied by your conversion factor, which is 1 BTU per pound mass is equal to 25,037 feet squared per second squared. This will give you a specific kinetic energy of 0.207 British thermo units per pound mass. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using the snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search and type in snipping tool, then open the program. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Alright. So follow these instructions if you've never used it before. So once you have it open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, then hit the red square to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you found a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.